Hello, fruit lovers. Hey, I'm starting a probably 7 to 10 day fruit cleanse. What do I mean by a fruit cleanse? Basically, I am eating, 90% fruit. Right now, we are in citrus season in Florida. I've got some really nice oranges here. I've got some Valencia oranges there. That one there happens to be a honeybell. You can see how with honeybells, the stem kind of narrows a little bit there at the top. Honeybells are super sweet and juicy. We're going out of honeybell season right now. This is just, I've got some left over, but the Valencias are strong right now. I mean, there's tons of it. So for this cleanse, I'm doing a lot of orange juice. I've got some Sapodillas here. Sapodillas, they look like kiwis, okay? And they taste like a pear, okay? With hints of cinnamon. They're so delicious and loaded with water. They're juicy, really nice fruit. And I have a friend here in Naples who has a huge Sapodilla tree. And he's up in Canada right now. So he lets me go over there, and I'm telling you, I'll be getting plenty of those for this 7-10 day cleanse. And I have some of my own oranges here, some Valencias still on the tree. Okay, here's my Valencia orange tree. Got some nice oranges on there. I'm gonna really let them ripen, get nice and orange. And that one looks like it's ready, but I'll let it just sit, let that sun soak in, baby, and get even sweeter and more nutritious. Now, I've got right now on the property 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 orange trees, 4 more in the back behind the tennis court. And there's nothing quite like orange juice. I think it's one of the best drinks on the planet, without a doubt. I've got a couple of papayas over there that I also picked at my friend's house. They're starting to ripen. With these, you never know what you're going to get. Sometimes they're off the charts good, and other times not so good. But my wife and I used to have papaya trees back in the day, about 10 years ago. I don't know why, for some reason, they tasted so good. They were like this mocha tasting coffee. They were and sweet. Oh man, they were so good. And I also have my lettuces. I've got my curly kale here, or this is curly over here. I forget, I think this is, I'm not sure. I know it's kale, but I don't know the particular name. I've got chard there. I've got a lot of lettuces growing here. I've got red leaf, butter lettuce, and green leaf. I love my tender greens. Mix them with bananas. Fantastic. So, on this fruit cleanse, there's some certain rules that you have to abide by. And here's the biggie. No overt fats. What does that mean? Well, obviously, absolutely no animal products. Nothing that had eyes or a mother, you're not eating it. Number 2, overt fats include avocados, nuts, and seeds. So during this 7 to 10 days, no avocados, no nuts or seeds. Why do I like this cleanse? Because any fat that you eat, even plant-based fat, nuts and seeds, avocados, they slow your digestion. When you're doing a cleanse, you don't want to slow your digestion. That's the worst thing you can do. You want the digestion to work smoothly and, normally. And most people don't realize If you eat 3 meals a day, you should have 3 bowel movements a day. If you eat 4 meals a day, you should have 4 bowel movements a day. So, you know, you've got to keep the bowels moving. And fruit, the beauty of fruit, it acts like a magnet, like an intestinal broom, you know, through your entire digestive tract. It's alkaline food, and it's got the light, the biophotons, you know, those little units of energy are in there, and they're just sucking all the toxins and gunk out of your body. So, can you do it? 7 to 10 days. I'm on my second day, actually. I started yesterday. Yesterday, all I had was oranges, sapodillas. I had some watermelon that I finished. I had some green smoothies. I had a fruit bowl. I eat when I'm hungry, and, you know, I eat till I'm satiated. And then, you know, when I feel I'm full, that's it. I don't eat anymore. I had enough. But you want to get used to eating fruit and filling the stomach, because then you're going to get enough calories. So give it a shot. Let me know how you're doing. I'll keep you posted on how I'm doing. And all the best to your health success. Make this cleanse a starting point for you. Once you start to realize the incredible benefits that you get, in 7 to 10 days, you will realize, you'll say, man, I feel great. Now, you could have a little detox symptom here or there, but shouldn't be too bad. So give it a try. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. Please subscribe to the channel if you've never been here before. And to your health success. Take care.